Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the buy and the sell arrows on TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. So over here, you will see the buy and the sell options. So whenever you press any buy or the sell options, you are going to see your trade placed arrows here on the top. So in order to remove them, simply click on the option of the settings icon here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now when you are inside the app settings, you just have to look for the option of trading. Now inside the trading, you will be able to see an option that would say trades on chart. So that particular button will be logged in. So you just have to simply turn that button off, and this way you will be able to easily remove the buy and the sell arrows on the TradeLocker. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.